In this video, I'm going to show you how to install JDK in your machine. JDK is used to compile and run Java program. So first of all, you have to go to this link. This is the official website of the JDK download, and it is nothing but the oracle.com. Or open any browser and search for JDK download for Windows 10 64-bit. Now, click on the first link of oracle.com. There you will get x64 installer under Windows tab. You have to download this package in your machine. After downloading, install the package and follow all the instructions as directed. Let me show you the process in details. Open a browser and write JDK download. Now go to the first link, that is Java download. There you will get two versions, Java 19 and Java 17. Scroll down. Here I choose Java 19. You will get three platforms, Linux, Mac OS and Windows. Click on Windows. There you will get the x64 installer. Beside this x64 installer, you will get the link. Just click on it. Now the package is getting downloaded in your machine. It's okay. Now go to the folder where the package has been downloaded. Now right click on it, run as administrator, click yes. Now it will start installation process. So this is the default path, C program files Java JDK. You can also change this path. Click on next button. Let it finish the installation process. After completing installation, it will show you a close button. Close the button. Now open this PC or my computer, and within my computer click on C drive, and within C drive there is program files, and within program files there is a folder Java. Within Java there is JDK folder. Open it. There you will get a bin folder. Open the bin folder. Scroll down. You will get two files. Look, one is Java C and another one is Java. Java C is for Java compiler to compile the Java program, and Java is used to run the program. Now copy the path where this Java C is residing. Copy the path in the clipboard. Now right click on my computer, go to properties. So look at the right hand side, you will get advanced system setting. Click on this link. A new window will be opened, and look, there is an environment variable just below. Click on it. Under advanced tab there is environment variable. Here are two sections. One is called the user variable and the system variable. Do not change any system variable. You will get a path variable within user variable. If it does not exist, so you have to click on new, write path and paste the path from the clipboard, then OK. But this path variable, if it exists, then select the path variable and then click on the edit button. And here is the older version of my Java, so delete it. Now click on new button and paste the path from the clipboard. Then click OK. Then again OK, OK. Now close the window. Now go to the search button and open command prompt. And in the command prompt, type Java C. So some text will be visible in the screen. That means Java C is working fine and my installation is correct. Now type Java, press enter. Again you will see some text scrolling up. That means Java is also the command Java is also working fine. Now create a folder within any drive. Suppose I am creating a Java program folder within the download folder. This will be my working directory, and parallelly let me open a text editor. Suppose I'm opening Notepad++ over here. Here I'm going to write a Java program. So here is a sample Java program. Its class name is test, and this is how a Java program looks like. That's all. Now I have to save this program with a .java extension within the Java program folder. I have created that folder under the download directory. So here I have to save this file with a .java extension. So the name of the file is test and the extension is .java. Look, the file has been created and it's a Java file. Now I have to run this program. For that, in the browser, and just go in front of the path, write cmd and then enter. Now the command prompt will be opened within this path, and here I'm going to compile the program first. For that I have to write javac, the file name test, then the extension .java. So there is no error. That's mean the program is error free. Now I have to look, the .class file has been created. Whenever you compile a Java program, a class file will be created. Then let's run the program Java test. This test means the class name. Look, here is the output, a test program. Now you can run your Java program from anywhere within your machine. To write program in Java, you can also use IDEs. IDEs means Integrated Development Environment. The most common IDEs are Eclipse, NetBeans, IntelliJ IDEA, BlueJ, JDeveloper, MyEclipse, Greenfoot, JGraphs, JCreator, Dr. Java. But in my tutorial series, I am not going to use any one of these IDEs. I will show you most of the programs in the command prompt. All my programs will be written in some text editor and that will be executed in the command prompt. And at the very end, I will show you how to write this program in different IDEs. I will make separate videos for these IDEs. In the next video, I'm going to write our first Java program. So now go to the next video. Thank you.